Okay guys, these are nice, okay? But I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than they are. They are more like, you could probably fit 4 or 5 pairs of shoes in there. So they're a little bit smaller than what I thought. So probably right here is about 3 foot. But other than that, super easy to put away. I only was hoping that they would be bigger, but they're definitely going to serve the purpose. And they held up really nice. As you can see, I've got stuff on top of them right now, but they are magnet, super easy to put away. If you guys are looking for simple storage, these are definitely things that you can do. They do come on wheels. So if you are looking for something, this is definitely a great product to get. Just make sure you get your sizing right. Because for me, I thought it was going to be more like dresser sizes, and this is more like bathroom cabinet sizes. So, quite a bit of room inside of there. You can easily, it's like a little microwave, size. So it's not bad. It's just, I was hoping for a little bit bigger size. So there you go. I went ahead and ordered 2. I'm so glad I did because I have a lot of stuff that I need to put away. Hope this helps, guys.
If you want like the bigger ones, those are the more expensive ones, but this one was the $30 one, $31 one. It's about 14 by 10. It comes with only 1 lid, so if you're looking for like 4 individual bins that have a lid, that's not what this is. It only has the 1 lid. It's not a big deal to me. Even if I wanted separately, I'm fine with having them separate. I'm only going to put shirts in here. I was planning on having them just separate to store different types of clothing in each bin. The magnet door works fine. This stacked up together. This is without the wheels. You can remove the wheels, put them back on. If you don't want the wheels, this reaches to about like 33 inches tall if you want them stacked together. Probably with the wheels would end up being about almost 36 inches tall. We got the clasps here to put it together, but like I said, I'm gonna have these separate. So far they feel pretty sturdy, good thick plastic, and I think it'll work out.
So this is the 4-piece storage bin. It's kind of small, but it's really cute. Like, I actually wanted a bigger one, but these bins have become realistically expensive. Like, I was just glad that I was able to get this one for under 40 bucks. But as you can see, like, pre-pandemic, this would have probably been like $20. But at least it's pretty sturdy. Not that difficult to put up. I think I put the whole thing up in like maybe 5 minutes, and that's with wheels and all.
So, quick review. This is like the Tupperware container of storage units. So it is cheaper plastic. They like snap together like that. This piece comes off. Just little magnets to hold it together. But, it works. It was really easy to put together. It rolls pretty well.
But yeah, it's cheaper. It's not gonna last you a long time, but hey, it's not bad. So I actually really love this bin. It is the perfect height, right at 32.5 inches tall. I use it for my Poshmark that I sell on to keep my stuff in. You can see that it actually holds a lot of stuff.